Guys,
Copy. I do have a couple off of Gurnett Road and the Adams Road, but nothing for Thomas Point itself.
there's the fire trucks. And it's Officer Bernier. Someone else.
Nice to see. Wind direction would be bringing it from Thomas Point across those. 10-4 then. Yeah, we saw a pretty good column over up Thomas Point when we were in Walmart's parking lot. We're just hitting Thomas Point now. We'll be investigating.
Goonies. Bum, bum, bum.
Brunswick, all units out 68 Thomas Point.
58 Thomas Point.
68 Thomas Point.
See, they are tearing into the truck right there. And they got a bag of evidence right there, guys. I don't know if you can see that. That's Officer Bernier, and I have a suit filed against him. I'm not going to push the issue with him. He is one of the most violent officers on the force. Uses way too much force. There's a second camera right beside me, and he's recording too. So I don't believe there's anything they could say or do right now if they've already found contraband of some type, although they're not in handcuffs or anything at this point. Normally, you should deny them the right to search. It's your right to be secure in your persons, places, and things. We're gonna put him in cuffs, guys. I'm not the problem. I record lawfully. The police work that I see. It isn't my actions that violate. It's the officers. Writing their own policies, codes, and statutes. Failure to identify is why I need to approach to 10 feet to identify officers hiding their identity while committing crimes. That's why Joshua Bernier, right here, this guy, yells orders, detaining me for filming, orders me back 60 feet, unreasonable distance. I can't see or hear conversation. I didn't start recording because police told the truth. I record because they lied, falsified reports. This is RICO. RICO activity. Retaliation is a felony. Retaliation for recording police is a felony. I can come to the assistance of citizens unlawfully arrested. Adams versus State, 121 Georgia, 1648 SC 910. June 22nd, 2023. Andrew Fitzpatrick's put a citizen in cuffs for 40 minutes for defending his rights as a passenger in an unlawful stop. No taillight was out. Hour and 30-minute traffic stop. Nathan Day assaulted me the next day, June 23rd, 2023, for recording police. This is in my next federal lawsuit, 18 USC 894. They are joining together to punish me for exercising my First and Fourth Amendment rights to travel and press. These documents and information within my 70 FOIA requests is a paramount requirement for the court's administration and is under your common law. Your duty to open and transparent and failure to fully disclose this information required also affects the human rights under ECHR Articles 5, 6, and 8. Failure to provide the evidence. And the gang stalkers are leaving. Bastards. Ah, no crime then, huh? Had to let them go. Road pirates! Anyway, guys, they both took off. I'm cutting it off.